Good morning, students. Welcome in my science class. And now, today we discuss a new topic: defects of eye. Human eye में जो आज का टॉपिक है वो defects of eye. There are many types of defects in eye occurs due to many many abnormalities, elongations, and distortion of eyeball. The defects of vision arise. Defects are mainly of five types: myopia, nearsightedness, यानी कम दृष्टि दोष, hypermetropia, दूरदृष्टि दोष, presbyopia, जरा दूरदर्शिता, astigmatism, अभिमुखता, और color blindness, वर्णांधता. We discuss these topics one by one. First of all, the topic is myopia. A person who can see nearby objects clearly, but he cannot see distinct objects distinctly. The far point of eye comes near the infinity. This defect of eye is called myopia. Reason: there are two causes of myopia. First, increases in curvature of eye lens surface due to its focal length decrease. And the second is the increase in the diameter of eyeball due to the distance between eye lens and retina increases. Correction: to correct this defect, the spectacles of a concave lens are used. When rays comes from infinity, then intersect each other in the eye before retina. This is the myopia. To correction this defect, we use a concave lens. We use a concave lens. Concave lens reflects this light rays some far, and these rays intersect each other to retina. इस प्रकार से हम देखें कॉन्केव लेंस यानी अवतल लेंस का यूज करके चश्मे में इस मायोपिया को का जो डिफेक्ट है उसको दूर कर सकते हैं. एंड द सेकेंड टॉपिक इज हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. Hypermetropia: a person who can see distinct objects clearly, but he cannot see nearby objects to the eye. The near point of eye is far away from 25 centimeter. This defect of eye is called hypermetropia. This is the two reasons of this defect. One, decrease in curvature of eye lens surface due to its focal length increase. And the second, the shortening of eyeball due to the distance between eye lens and the retina decrease. And the correction of hypermetropia: to correct these defects, the spectacles of a convex lens are used. आप समझेंगे इसे हम एक डायग्राम द्वारा. In this defect, object is situated 25 centimeter far from eye, and the image formed by lens some far from retina. This is hypermetropia. This defect is corrected by a spectacle used as convex lens This lens convert rays into some near, and these rays intersect each other at the retina, and the image form at the retina. Convex lens is used. And the topic third is presbyopia, जरा दूरदर्शिता. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia. This type of defect is called presbyopia. The power of accommodation of eye reduces with aging due to weakening of ciliary muscles. Correction of presbyopia. The defects can be corrected by using bifocal lens in spectacles, in which one part of lens acts as a convex lens and other lens as a concave lens. And the fourth disorder of eye is astigmatism, avindukta. The defects of human eye in which objects kept horizontally and vertically are not focused together on the retina. This is called astigmatism. Correction of astigmatism. This defect can be corrected by using cylindrical lens in spectacles. And the last, fifth, is color blindness. Color blindness is a genetic disorder cause of inheritance. In this defect, people able to see clearly, but they are unable to distinguish between certain colors. Some people cannot distinguish red and green colors, such as color blindness is genetic. Correction: this defect is a genetic disorder and has no cure. Then, students, this topic, the defects of eye, is complete. The 5 types of defects we discuss, and आशा करता हूँ ये जो टॉपिक है ये आपके अच्छी तरह समझ में आ गए होंगे. And you repeat this video to clear your concept. Thank you.